of a Lightning Link series. It's day number 20. Bengal Treasures. Hopefully we'll give us a big win today. $100 in the machine, 10-cent denomination, 250 bet. Oh, this doesn't have any sound. Oh no, I hate machines with no sound. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna move to the machine next door. There's like 2 of them next to me. I'm gonna move, I'll be right back. Okay, we moved next door, from next door. Hopefully this one has sound. I didn't even check, you know, you would think, right? We have the same ticket, did 1 spin on 250. Yeah, this is a little, it had little sound, but still quite quiet. A little deal for now. There is one, another one next to me that I have yet tried, so worst comes to worst, we'll move again. Woo, nice, wild symbols. Wish you would have made it all the way to the end, but it didn't. Oh, $24 weight. Hey, we're in profit. Oh, see, 6 of these gems. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Wow, same spot, huh? Oh, mini. Mini's 100 on this denom. You need 3 of these castles for free games. Or, I'm sorry, it's a picking bonus. It's either going to be a hold and spin or free game. Come on. So glad you're joining me today. We really need to turn things around. So I need all the help I can get. Last time, Bengal Treasures treated us okay. So thought I'd give it another go at this. Come on. Come on. No. 2 more. Oh, I know it's really hard to see, you guys. There's a huge bright game behind me. Can't really figure out to get that glare out, but I can't. Moved on to a $1.50 bet, 1 cent denomination. See if, ooh, 3 more. That could turn things around for us. Oh, I believe he's the best symbol in this game. Maybe. No, now I'm not sure. Ooh. Do we get this all the way across? Ooh, $10. All right, back up to 80. Back up to 80. Come on, we really need to get a huge bonus here. 2 more. Oh, wild. Oh, I think we made it all the way across with the Cobra. Okay, another $7. Come on, 4 more. Oh, so perfect to get a bonus right about now. Have the momentum going, right? Come on. Oh. Come on, 1 more. Oh. I'm going to move up to $1.25, 5-cent denomination. And get something big. Come on. You know what, you guys? I feel like moving to the next machine over. I think it's louder. And I don't know. I just feel like moving. So I'll be right back. Move to the machine at the end, hoping that's the lucky machine. We have 58.73, the same ticket. Here we go. Oh, is that 1 cent denomination? Let's do $1 bet to start off. Oh, sounds so much better. So much louder. I like it. 2 more. Oh my God. Please come back. We all know it won't, but you get 1 shot, I think, right? You get 1 shot per session. Oh, that was our shot. That was our shot, but it was sure pretty. I would love to see it again. Please come back, please. Come on, 1 more. Oh goodness, 1 more. Oh, we got it. Oh, I'm glad we moved machines. Now, I don't know if the other 2 we're gonna pay or not, but I don't care. We have a bonus on a $1 bet. Let's see if that major will come back. Never mind, it's not a picking bonus. It's actually just free games, 8 free games, so obviously I don't know what I'm talking about. Here we go, come on. Give me a bonus in the bonus, please. Oh, gems, no. Wild? No. Come on, wild, wild. Oh my goodness. I'm a little speechless. Don't know how much that is. It's moving up pretty fast, right? I feel like it's around 80 bucks. Should I press the button and find out? Oh my God! Holy shaniza! Oh, miles with the elephants all the way across. Oh my gosh! Another Profitsville coming your way. Wow! We almost doubled up with the full screen of one. Almost full screen of one. Holy moly, you guys! Am I glad I moved the machine? See, I always find the machine with sound. That doesn't mean anything, but I'm just saying. In this case, it actually worked out. Wow, you guys. Might be a very short video since I did play the other 2 machines. Not really keeping track of time, so I feel like I'm gonna do a couple of more backup spins on this $1 bet. And I might just call it. I might just call it a winning freaking day. And I'm not even gonna look back. No looking back. Booking a $90 win on Bengal. What is this again? Bengal Treasures on day number 20. Thank God. Let's start a winning streak starting tomorrow. Day number 21, you guys. Stay tuned. Please come back. And yeah, I'll see you tomorrow.